All right, hey everybody. I have no idea if this is going to turn out or not. I'm messing around with a new camera. It's a Nikon that my mom gave me. Wow. So anyway, I am packing for my Puerto Rico, fucking Puerto Rico, Jamaica. I'm going to Jamaica. So anyway, I'm packing for my trip. And I thought I'd share some really great tips for you guys, okay? So I just want to show you the first thing that I do when I want to pack for a trip is I just pretty much throw everything in a pile. Okay, so that's the first thing I do. Is everything that looks like it could be interesting is what goes. Okay? So let me pause this so I can pretty much pull all this out off my floor because my room is pretty disgusting right now. I don't even want to show you. But I'm trying to decide, like, what wigs do I want to bring? What costumes do I want to bring? What underwear? Look, I got some underwear right there. What shoes? And it's really sad because I know I'm probably going to wear just one bathing suit the whole time. But if I was to pack just one thing, I would regret it. I know I would. So I'm going to go ahead and pause and then pull everything out and show you what I got. Okay, so now I've got my stuff on my bed. Kind of get a little better look at it. And step one, let me organize this stuff. So I'm going on, oh, excuse me guys. It's from Tuesday to Sunday. And what I have is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 dresses, a skirt, 2, 3, 4 t-shirts, a pair of pants, a pair of shorts, a cover up, another pair of knickers, 2 more pairs of shorts, 3 pairs of underwear, 2 pairs of shoes, a sandals and slip-ons, a whole stack of sarongs, a hip thing, and then these are all bathing suits, and there's probably about 5 of them. So what I really need to do is decide, I definitely don't need all this shit. So what I need to do is go through this stuff first and decide, actually I already sorted it first, so second, deciding on what I'm going to take. So pretty much, I'm sorry guys, I like a lot of stuff. And I like to be prepared for like every weather scenario. Like if I'm going somewhere that's the beach, I want at least 1 pair of pants because you just never know. What if it gets cold? Or, what if it rains a lot? But I think I'm just going to suck it up and just be like, fuck it. If I have to wear leggings and sarongs, then I'll just wear leggings and sarongs. So I think what I'm going to do is definitely half this stuff and then show you how I get it all packed, okay? Alright, bye. So my dresses, because they're big, because I'm a plus size person, I wear XL, double XL. It's a lot of fabric. I'm not some small person. So what I do is I roll them up into little rolls. Okay? That way when you undo the dress, it'll just like roll out. Alright? So I still have like a good bit of room in this duffel bag that I've got. So I rolled up the dresses. And then as far as your shorts and t-shirts go, I do it by outfit. So that way it's just easier to deal with. And, you know, some of this stuff I'm just sleeping in because I'm traveling with a friend, so I don't really need to, like, have, like, nightgowns and lingerie and all that. It's a, you know, friend's birthday. I'm not going to get laid or whatever, so this is all for fun. So anyway, so I still have a lot of room. I haven't even put my sarongs in there. I've already put a pair of flip-flops and a pair of sandals in here. So far I've got in here 5 dresses, a pair of really comfy leggings that I usually sleep in. That's a swim cover up. And then I've got, seriously, 1, 2, 3 short outfits right here. But as you're sorting through everything, you notice that, okay, I'm definitely gonna need more underwear than 3 pairs on this trip. And then I haven't sorted through the suits yet. So far so good. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I am an idiot and did not film the final result, but I figured I'd go ahead and share me getting the stuff in there, because at least you can kind of see where I was going with it. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what? I wound up wearing everything except for 2 of the dresses and like 3 of the sarongs I didn't use, and then the white sandals I didn't wear. I mainly stayed in like flip-flops and bathing suits, a couple of the t-shirts. Bring a nice thin t-shirt that you can put over your bathing suits, because if it is really sunny or whatever, you don't want to just go out there if you're not used to getting that much sun. It was so handy for me to just throw on a t-shirt and swim in the t-shirt. So I'm glad I did that. I also was the only one in the whole dang resort, basically, that remembered to bring bug spray. I had my own sport spray. That's the best sunscreen, is the sport spray. So thanks for checking out my video. I hope I made you laugh at least. I still have tons of footage that I'm going through. I'm going to try to get a few videos out each week. Let me know where you'd like to see me go next. Thanks, and have a good one. Bye.